Hello, welcome back to Brand Sushi Live Nodding. In this episode, we're gonna do the rope twisting once again, but this is gonna be the quick and really easy way. So I'm gonna do it really fast. So we're gonna start with a hexagrid file, save as rope twist easy. Viewer draw, and we have the vertices and the polygon. So this is not what we want. We want the triangle. What I like about the hexagrid, of course, it generates the grid for you automatically, and then you can use this pattern. So now, we're gonna do the extrusion. So extrude region, and because extrude region has multiple extrude, so we can definitely use that. We're gonna use matrices and turn on multiple extrude. If we use line, however, if we plug this into locations, this will generate something that's a little bit strange. You can see how there's some kind of acceleration or something. So that's not what we want. We actually want something. We start with a vector in. We plug this right like that, and we're gonna repeat this multiple times. So repeat 1 2 3 4 5, unwrap, and then list join. So that's how we do the multiple extrusion. But okay, we're not talking about multiple extrusion. We're gonna be using twist, simple deformation twist, and this is pretty much how you do a quick rope twist. Okay, so and you can continue twisting like that, and then you can increase the extrusions. You can even increase the number of rope that you want to twist. So that's the cool part. And you can really also adjust the top and the bottom part of the twist. All right, so that's the cool part about this. There's actually a plant that has this kind of twisting design. Yeah. So yeah, that's a really quick and easy way to do a twist. Hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.